Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and if you watched the last video right to the very end, you would have heard me mention that the day after I filmed the last video, I was going to be going to the Herts Auto Show for the first ever time. I was told about it by my friend Steve, who owns an F100 pickup with a V8 in it that was at the Herts Auto Show, and he also owns a Mk1 Escort, and I'm hoping to get both of those on a proper video very soon. Now, I also mentioned at the end of the last video that I decided not to take Esther, my ST170 powered Mk1 Escort, to the Herts Auto Show because the noise coming from her gearbox or clutch is just getting worse and worse, and I actually decided not to vlog at the Herts Auto Show when I went, but when I got there, there was just so many cool cars there and I took so many photos, I thought I'd at least throw up a bit of a slideshow for you guys to check out the cars that I was able to check out at the show. So here it is. So there you go. As you can see, there was so many cool cars at the Herts Auto Show, and Steve was actually telling me that in previous years it was even better than it was this year. But yeah, I want to send a massive thanks out to Steve for letting us know about the show, and also got to send a massive thanks out to Steve for sorting me out something that I'm going to be soon fitting to Maud, my Mk2 Escort, and I'll let you guys know about that in a future video. If you're a patron, you would have already seen what I'm on about. So that's all I've got for this video. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe if you're new to keep up to date with all my future uploads. Check out my website for merch and parts. Feel free to follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Massive thanks to all my patrons for your ongoing support. I will leave all the links to all of that in the description as usual, along with my email address for anyone who wants to contact me. But other than that, until next time, thanks for watching.